Another quick tip, cleaning your paint brushes. You know, you always have the dried up paint around the outside of your bristles here and along here. So what I do is I get it all rinsed out really good. I take a little bit of dish detergent, a little bit of dishwashing liquid, put it on the brush, and then I rub it in. It helps get the paint out of the bristles. Again, this is something a painter showed me. Brushes, especially if you use good ones, get pretty expensive to keep replacing. Take a steel wire brush. Got this at Harbor Freight for like 99 cents. And then you just slowly brush onto the bristles, and it'll take the dried paint right off of the outside. Because if you let that paint build up, then eventually your brush gets really hard and it's pretty much useless. So if you do this every time, make sure you clean your brushes really well. You won't have to buy another brush for a long time. Hope that helps somebody.